Hi everyone, welcome back to our touch tank for another bio bit. I'm Laura, I'm a marine science educator at the Smithsonian Marine Ecosystems Exhibit at the St. Lucie County Aquarium, and today we're going to be talking about very special animals, and those are our sea urchins. So in front of me today I have 3 sea urchins, 2 different species. We have our variegated, or sometimes called decorator urchin. Maybe you can see why. We also have 2 of our slate pencil urchins here in front of me. As adults, sea urchins have pentaradial symmetry, and they can be divided into 5 equal sections. This is a key characteristic of all of the phylum Echinodermata. This phylum includes sea urchins, sea stars, and even sea cucumbers, like this guy over here. Now, our sea urchins are important grazers on coral reefs and in other habitats as well. They feed on algae with a very unique mouth structure called an Aristotles Lantern, and it's made up of 5 teeth. Interestingly, their mouth is actually on the bottom of them. So if we flip this guy over and look underneath, here in the center, you can actually see this urchin feeding on a bit of shrimp from this morning's breakfast and a piece of algae as well. Which leads me to my next point. Sea urchins are grazers, but they're also opportunistic, meaning they'll feed on other slow-moving animals or even dead carcasses that they come across, just like our urchin here eating a piece of shrimp. They move around using their specialized tube feet, a hydraulic system called the water vascular system of small tubes that have suction cups at the ends. Tube feet help sea urchins sense and even taste their environments. If you look closely at our decorator urchin, you can see the tube feet structures in between the spines. This is how this species grabs hold of empty shells or debris and affixes it to their shell. This species is usually found in sandy environments, and they use this decoration as a way to camouflage from predators. So I also wanted to show you an up-close view of the Aristotles Lantern. You can see the 5 teeth here. These all move independently, and they'll scrape algae up through the mouth and then up into the animal. But this unique structure is called the Aristotles Lantern. And again, it exhibits that pentaradial symmetry, the 5. All right, everybody, thanks so much for joining me. I hope you learned a little bit more about sea urchins and that you enjoyed visiting our touch tank once again. We hope that you're well, and we look forward to seeing you soon.